Got the track set up. We did a little bit of adjustments today with the end beams. That's the only problem. So show y'all guys something. I know I got a lot of questions about the Porta tree. So these beams right here, you gotta make. These come on their own. Alright? So you gotta make those. You gotta make your end beams. You get 8 beams in all to make. And then you set up your tray. I know my wires look a mess. I could tighten that up. But we came out to really set the beams up right. I drilled some holes, made all the beams right. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna test it and make sure everything is straight. So y'all stay tuned. So far I like the front ones that we have no problems with. It was only the end, so that's what we testing today. Instant green. No.
2.4 and 77 miles per hour. Charge this big 2.581 miles an hour.
Why the fuck? You see that?
Yeah, it's on the video on the way.
So something broke then.
Way more mile an hour over here, I think. Like even limitless and shit, you're gonna get so much grip.
What?
Oh, Willie ball was off. Set me that real quick. Look at Tony. Alright, y'all ready? Watch your lights.
Hello?
That was a come off the line right there. 2.5 in the left lane, 2.7 in the right. Watch your lights.
Oh, another hub.
Oh, you just changed yourself. He just said it's been so good.
You ready? Watch your lights.
Nice light in the left lane. What was that light in the left lane? He cut that fucking really,
Yeah, you got a
really
good light. Watch your lights. Yeah, Matt, there you go. You was able to correct that thing. Nice.
That's
The lights.
If I would turn, you would fucking be unreal.
Check Benji and Brian out.
Ready?
Oh, Benji red lighted. Oh, y'all boys is getting nice with the system now. Okay, now we talking. Benji came back from Brian. This is a testing tune day. They still at it. They still going at it.
5.
You gotta do that.
2.5 at 54.
Ooh.
My hours are up today, man.
Ready?
Yep.
Nice Dave.
Who saved it? Him? Oh. Y'all ready? Watch the lights. Ah, tricky, huh? Tricky.
I've never seen that type of beam. Where are you?
Drivers ready?
Yeah.
Watch your lights.
How'd you, Brian?
Damn, that was a run. Nice run.
I can get that tree for you. He can't get his pinion off because it's about to strip. I think that's
Let's call a whole shot, fellas. What that whole shot look like? Yeah, we hit chicken.
Yeah, that threw up. And he kept pushing.
Ready, watch the light.
I had to take his ass out. No.
Captain Morgan.
No, Captain Morgan's brown.
2526.
Pour in that cup again and it. Anything else, me and after that, I don't know shit.
There you go.
Ready, watch the light.
Look out, Brian.
Wait, I don't understand how you won because you did a 258 and left lane did a 24.
Call a whole shot.
Yeah, I was trying to fix my wheelie bar wheel.
Ready, watch the light.
That's the first time my Lucy went on the roof.
Right lane 23.
What? Let me get that print out. Let me get that mother
80
print
miles
out.
per hour.
Woo!
Really? I know it looked hard, it wasn't hard.
Oh, watch that car. Watch that blue thing up there. Watch that blue thing up there now.
That blue lightning over there.
Watch that blue thing. I'm coming for you. Watch out, get out the way now. I'm coming for you too. Nah, I'm fucking with you. I'm sorry, I'm in your way. I check my boy Kush out. He pulled nuts in the testing tune, huh? Yeah, you got a lot of locals out here today. Hey, bro, it's good.
Drivers ready? Yep. Watch the light.
More up, Matt.
Woo! 290. Watch the light. Left lane 24, right lane 2 steady. Watch the light.
Red lighted cat.
Oh my God! My butthole puckered up.
Ready? Watch the light.
That car's all over the
Right lane 24, left lane 31.
bouncing off the bar.
Ooh, nice correction.
Ready? Watch the light.
Nice correction.
Ooh,
Nice.
ooh, right lane.
Wow.
27, left lane 29.
Came back in.
Ooh, 27, 29, bro. You got your ass right there, bro. You try to turn up, huh? Wanna we run that? Huh?
Every dog gets a bone once in a while, you know what I'm saying?
Drivers ready? Watch the light.
Got your ass. Get his ass, Brian.
Oh, he's still going.
Oh.
Right lane
Good race,
250, left lane 253.
Tony took you, bro.
Tony let off. Nice let off. And Benji out. Benji got out the socks today. He got socks on.
Watch the light.
I saved.
Check your bed out here. Check him out. Show me it again. Show me it again. Let me
Right
see. Show me
lane
it again.
26, left lane
19%.
He
42.
says battery dead.
Battery's always dead.
I put one to charge now.
Extra like 25. That's enough for the burnout.
For real? You gotta go, huh?
You heard that whip crack? I
Watch
heard
the
it.
light.
What?
Right through the phone. I heard that.
Nice run. Right lane.
Pretty sure I crossed, but
Right lane 25.
crossed what?
Ready? Watch the light.
Ooh! Nice save.
25, left lane 26.
Nice save. Nice save. Nice driving.
That was a good race.
Yeah, that was a good driving too. Good driving. All right, Kev.
Ready? Watch the light. Watch the light.
Hit him with his stuff. Trey, what happened? You was stuck, bud.
Yeah, she changed it. Random, like random. Nah. You okay?
Right lane 248, left lane 246.
Trey, you did 70, almost 79 mile an hour. Did you do? Yeah. Oh my God.
As soon as I came out, he came out. He what's the light? Cause he had me on the light.
Bro.
Your reaction was point 20.
Oh. I do love that rule, bud.
Left lane 240.
Watch the light.
Don't worry, you got the chalk, so you just gotta put it.
Stupid ass car.
What do you run?
2.5 at 69.
Push out the gate 2.5, boy.
Yeah, I never touched nothing, bro.
That's
I left
what's
this shit just the way it
This
was.
is
Way faster.
I was ready.
Say what's up, little man. Say what's up.
I'm gonna turn this shit a little bit, man.
Yeah, what's going
ready.
on,
Watch
John?
the light.
I see you. I see you with the shirt on.
Jesus, Benji. Hey, can you set just the left lane for a second?
197 at 95 miles an hour.
Print that out.
Let me get that.
One what?
He wants that.
197 at 95. He went 2.4 at 73. You? 4? Yeah.
Trey, set just the left lane for her.
You have to press this button.
Yeah, hit the print the button.
I'll swear, you want that one too?
Get ready on the light.
Ready? Watch the light.
That's the track car.
Go so slow.
That's,
41.
Shoot,
that's
stop
all the way
playing.
down.
Go get him,
Yeah.
Jen.
That's our typical kids. Yeah, that's the kids that come start
Hey,
line.
you did it. A to B. That's it.
Put me up.
That's a track car, y'all. We bought that just for the track. Everybody to come learn and everything.
Ready?
Come on out, y'all.
Get my
Learn.
son out here too to
Yeah.
try that out.
Yeah,
See if
for
he's
sure.
even into it.
What it's all about. And I got settings on it, so, Matt probably gonna do it at 100%.
No, I just went up one just to say.
75.
It's very touchy. There you go. Bam.
Watch the tree.
Click up, Matt. You should have clicked up.
Watch out, little man. Nice. There you go.
There it is.
There you go.
Nice run.
Girls race.
Yeah. Nice run. Nice run. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Woo. Car's moving in the big end. See that thing coming through on them?
Nice run.
You want? No, you want to run it again? You can. There's no problem.
So what you need to do is come up on it in here. Bring it to like the map, right?
See? Every minute he's dialing this shit.
What's my reaction?
Sorry, bro.
Yo, that shit just.
Yeah.
That boy got them big ass wheelie bars on there. That's why that bitch sits down first.
2.7. That shit on 15S. Watch your lights. Oh. I got to slow that down and stop it. Hey, check little man out. He stays in the tree just now. He's still.
Oh!
You lucky that shit landed on his wheels, bro. You literally lucky, bro.
Look.
Look at him.
Look at this, right? You see how the people are spectating over there?
Yeah.
What's wrong with me? Look at nigga. Just gotta put it out there. Put a big ass sign on that face over there. Niggas be over here every day all day. Every day all day. You see the kids with them big trucks and wheels and all that shit.
Look at people right there pull up.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's a watch.
Baby, stack it out.
You broke the wheel?
He got that shit on record. Nice.
It was flying. You did a couple flips too.
Yeah. That's Benji for you.
Camera.